Yes, Hannah, you know, she was not able to tolerate it. Okay. And then Hannah, she cries in a very severe manner when Yumi, the servant, okay, she refuses to obey her orders, that you are going to do what your master orders you, you have to do. There was so fierce a look of resistance upon Yumi's round dull face that Hannah felt unreasonably afraid. Okay, when Hannah shouts on Yumi, she gives a look of resistance. Okay, a very stern look she gives to Hannah, that without any reason, even Hannah, you know, she got scared for a moment. After all, if the servant should report something that was not as it happened, okay? And she got scared. She could not do anything regarding the servant. Why? She had this doubt in her mind that in case if she would tell Yumi anything, if she would scold her anymore, maybe the her servants may go out and report against Dr. Sadao and Hannah. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, very well, she said with dignity. You understand, we are only want to bring him to his senses so that we can turn him over as a prisoner. Okay? And then Hannah, you know, she controls her anger anyhow, and with the dignity, she just tries to convince you me that try to understand. Okay, our only main motive is to bring this man into senses. We are not going to do means anything for him. We are not going to cure him. We only want him to be in his senses so that we can turn him, we can hand him over to the police as a prisoner of war. Very well, she said with dignity. You understand, we only, sorry, I will have nothing to do with it. Yumi said, I'm a poor person and it's not my business. See now, Yumi, she was least interested in all these things. Okay, again, a very blunt reply was given by Yumi to her mistress that she doesn't have anything to do with this prisoner of war, and she says that I'm a poor person, as she was a poor person, and she does not want to get involved, okay, in any kind of problems. And she says that I'm a poor person, she wants to remain out of all these things, and she bluntly says that this is not my business, this is not my work to wash this prisoner of war. Then please, Hannah said gently, return to your own work. Now Hannah, you know, she was just trying to control her anger, okay. She acted in a very gentle manner. Why? Because she knew very well that if she would be angry, sure the servants too, in return, okay, would do something, would go and complain against them. So Hannah बड़ी gently उसको कहती है, just return to your work. At once you may leave the room. But this left Hannah with the white man alone. She might have been too afraid to stay had not her anger at Yumi's stubbornness now sustained her. Okay. Now what happened? Yumi, she goes away, beta, and Hannah, she was all alone with this white man. Okay. Though in the beginning she did not want to be to be there in his room, in the white man's room, and she was quite afraid also, as he was his enemy. And right now she might have been afraid to remain, okay, if her anger at Yumi's stubbornness wouldn't have stopped her. Okay, getting it? She was very much angry, who Hannah, but she was not able to express her anger. Okay, so many times it happens with us also. Somebody scolds us, you know, and we are very much angry, and the work that we are not interested to do, or the things we are afraid to do, what happens in anger? We just do everything, you know, in a very fast speed, isn't it? It happens or not? गुस्से में हम हर काम फटाफट कर लेते हैं. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो similarly
Yes,
it
ma'am.
happens with Hannah also. She was very much angry. Okay, यदि उसके अंदर anger नहीं होता तो she wouldn't have stayed in the room of this prisoner. Okay, she would have been afraid of staying there. लेकिन यूमी की stubbornness देखकर, on seeing Yumi's stubbornness, she became so much angry that though she did not expose her anger, though she did not show her anger, but she was so angry that that anger, okay, it overcame his fear of staying there in the room, and she stayed there in the prisoner's room and watched him. At once Yumi left the room, but this I have done. Stupid Yumi, she muttered fiercely. Is this anything but a man and a wounded, helpless man? Okay. And then in a very fierce manner, she starts muttering to herself, अपने आप ही बुदबुदाने लगती है, कहती stupid Yumi है. What is he? Okay. Oh, he's not a demon, he's not a devil, he's nothing like this, but he's only a man. And that too, a wounded, helpless man he is. Okay? एक wounded, असहाय आदमी है, nothing more. In the conviction of her own superiority, she bent impulsively and untied the knotted rugs that kept the white man covered. Okay? Now, in her own thoughts that she was more superior to the servants, you know, she cannot express her anger to them and all this. So in all these thoughts, she was so busy that she started doing all the work on her own, and she opened the knotted rugs. Knotted rugs, you got the torn cloths, you know. The cloths were torn. She opened them, and when she had this breast bare, she dipped the small clean towel that Yumi had brought into the steaming hot water and washed his face. Now what happens, beta? She was in very much anger, okay? And then being in anger, you know, she did not care that she was afraid. Some time back, she was afraid of this man, and to show her, okay, superiority, okay, she did what? She herself opened the clothes of this man and she started washing him. Okay, washing means cleaning him with a clean towel she took. She dipped it into the hot water and started cleaning this dirty man. The man's skin, though rough with exposure, was of fine texture and must have been very blonde when he was a child. Now he was an American, and the skin was very blonde. Blonde, you got it, of golden color. And Hannah, she thinks that the man's skin, though it was rough, it had been rough with the exposure. He was being hit. He was being thrown by the sea. He got hit by the rocks and everything, but still it was a fine texture, and the skin must have been very, very good. Blonde means very light golden child he would have been when he was a small child. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. While she was thinking these thoughts, though not really liking the man better now that he was no longer a child, she kept on washing him until his upper body was quite clean. Now she was lost in her thoughts, thinking all these things. Okay. Though she did not like to wash this man, but still, okay, though he was not a child, right? And she did not like to wash this man, but she did not have any other option. And she was lost in her thoughts, and she kept thinking, and she kept on washing, lost in her thoughts. She kept on washing until the upper body of this prisoner, it was clean. But she dare not turn him over. Where was Sadao? Now what happened? She had to turn him over. Okay. Why? Because the backside was also to be clean. One minute. Okay. The backside was also to be clean, but she did not dare to turn this man all alone. She did not have this courage to turn this man, okay, and to put him on his face. Now her anger was ebbing. Now she looked for Sadao. Sadao was not there. अब सदाव नहीं दिखा तो उसका गुस्सा जो था ना, it was ebbing, it was rising. उसका गुस्सा तेज होता गया. And she was anxious again, and she rose, wiping her hands on the round towel. Okay? और इतनी anxious हो जाती है कि इतने गुस्से में she gets up और एक गलत चाल जो था, है ना, जिससे इसको शायद पहुंचा था इस enemy को, she just wipes her hands. Then lest the man be chilled, she put the quilt over him. And she thought that the man would be chilled, okay, would suffer from cold. So she covered him with the quilt. Sadao, she called softly. He had been about to come in when she called, okay. And then she calls Dr. Sadao. वैसे भी उस समय Sadao, he was about to come. His hand had been on the door and now he opened it. She saw that he had brought his surgeon's emergency bag and that he wore his surgeon's coat. Okay, so now when he comes, what happens? Hannah notices that Dr. Sadao was wearing surgeon's coat. You know what is a surgeon's coat? When do the surgeons, they put on their coats?
When they do the surgery.
When they do
When
surgery.
they do the surgery, when they come for the operations and all. And he was having the emergency bag also. You have decided to operate, she cried. Acha कहती, अच्छा तुमने decide कर लिया, you are going to cure him, you are going to operate. Yes, he said shortly. He turned his back to her and unfolded a sterilized towel upon the floor of the Tokonoma alcove. Okay, Tokonoma alcove, it's written here, niche or an alcove in a Japanese home for displaying a flower arrangement, है ना, kakimono or other piece of art. ठीक है, एक shelf type होता है वो. So what happens upon the floor of the Tokonoma alcove पे वो रख देता है उस shelf पे and put his instruments on it. Fetch towels, he said. Go and bring towels. Okay. Who says? Dr. Sadao, he says. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sure? Sure, beta,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
she went obediently, but how anxious now, to the linen shelves and took out the towels. Okay. अब वो जाती है obediently, ठीक है, shells वगैरह को खोलती है, towels को निकालती है. There all ought also to be old pieces of matting so that the blood would not ruin the fine floor cover. वो मनी मन सोचती है कि there might be old pieces of matting. She is going to place it under this prisoner. Why? Because the blood that will come out, it is going to spoil the beautiful mat, okay, that covered the floor of the room. She went out to the back veranda where the gardener kept strips of matting with which to protect delicate shrubs. You know what are shrubs? Delicate small plants. On cold nights and took an armful of them. Okay. और ये सोचकर she goes to the garden, ये देखने के लिए कि जो gardener था ना, पुराने मैट्स हो जाते थे तो उनकी स्ट्राइप्स काट लेता था, पतली पतली स्ट्राइप्स. ओके, fine, okay, thin long pieces he used to cut from the mat and he used to cover the shrubs, okay, the plants when it was severe winter. क्योंकि सर्दी से भी you know the plants get destroyed, तो वो क्या करता था, इन mat से plants को cover कर देता था during the winter. So she goes there and she takes an armful of these mats. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, enough for today, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. God bless you, children. Thank you.